HVAC Cleanroom Pressurization Principles. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service. Overview. Pressurization is essential for contamination control. Prevents ingress of particulates from adjacent spaces. Occupational safety. Guards personnel from hazardous airborne substances. How it works. Cleanroom pressurization is achieved by supplying more air than what is returned, exhausted, and leaked. Regulatory reference, Fed STD 209E. Minimum differential pressure. Plus 0.05 inches. Water gauge. Condition. All entryways closed. Even when doors open, airflow must consistently go from cleaner, higher pressure, to less clean, lower pressure, areas. Engineering controls. To maintain dynamic balance. Components used. Manual/automatic dampers. Constant/variable volume control boxes. Airflow sensors with feedback control. Monitoring tools. U-tube manometers. Magnehelic gauges. Pressure alarms and warning systems. Adaptive considerations. Account for exhaust from equipment or hoods with intermittent operation. Openings due to tunnels crossing pressure boundaries. Door usage patterns. Pressure gradient concept. Term. Differential pressure, DP. Definition. Pressure difference between two adjacent rooms. Term. Airflow direction. Definition. Always from high pressure, aseptic, to low pressure, non-aseptic. Maintaining a consistent DP ensures clean to less clean airflow, a cornerstone of aseptic zone integrity. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.